Hello everyone, my name is Andy and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So tomorrow I won't be trading, so for the members I will not be able to update my charts, and I will also not be able to upload a video, so therefore I already present my analysis for Tuesday, October 10th right now. For the record, today is Monday, October 9th. Time is around 7:15 p.m. GMT. So what we see here in the Nasdaq on the 15-minute time frame is quite interesting. I will start with the lower time frame because I discussed the higher time frame in my previous video. So if you want to have a bit more context, please have a look there. And yeah, for now, I think the lower time frame here is the most important one because I told you what I am looking for as kind of first confirmation that the low of our corrective move in the higher time frame might be in here. So from here, I'm looking for an impulsive structure up, and so far I think we have a wave 1 here, a wave 2 right here, and that this here is our wave 3 almost finished. For the moment, we have some divergence here within this wave. So compared to this high here, so this could be the 1. So the subwaves, I mean, of this wave 3 could be the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 as subwaves of this wave 3. But then what we still need is a wave 4 and a wave 5 to get or to have our impulse. So for now we have 3 waves, and these 3 waves can still be an ABC structure. So this can still be a corrective move that we have here, and so then we are still in the scenario of wave B right here, a scenario that I explained to you in my previous video. So like for the bullish case, what needs to happen is we need a 4th and a 5th wave here, and then more importantly, the real test will come when we start to correct this structure right here. Then this low here needs to hold, and then we can be ready for more upside. So that could mean that the low of the higher time frame correction is in right here. But for now, on the lower time frame, we still do not have enough information. I want to see this 4th and 5th wave as support for the bullish case, and then additionally, of course, here the correction as a wave 2. After we made a wave 1 here in 5 waves, we need to correct this in a wave 2, and then this low here needs to hold. So this is what I would like to see on the 15 minute. If we do not see this 5 waves, then we will probably also not hold the like the correction to the downside here, because then this will probably an ABC structure corrective move, which would then be a wave B, and then we can go down as an impulse as a wave C. In the 1 hour, what we see here, okay, an upward cycle is holding right here. Also in the in the 4 hour, we have an upward cycle holding. It still looks quite strong here in the 4 hour, but of course everything will depend now on what will happen from here. Like if this is a corrective move, then we can easily go down here in the 4 hour as well. In the daily, we broke this RSI trend line now, so it looks like we are no longer here in a bearish cycle. So that would favor also the bullish scenario. And in the weekly, it looks like we also start to break the RSI trend line right here. Although, like, this is very early. If we have a complete off day tomorrow, then we easily go back into this downward cycle. But so for now, I think the most important things to observe in the Nasdaq are actually here on the lower time frame. What will we do from here? Do we get this fourth and fifth wave? And then in the next step, if we correct this way of this wave up here, this wave one, this potential wave one up here, if we correct this, then we really should hold this low right here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you back on Wednesday for another analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.